Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing good. Finally exams are over this week, so I thought let's do the haul. Pink Friday sale is off on Nykaa and you might not find the products on the price that I found them. So I just want to show you what I got from Nykaa, and the reason this video got delayed was I was waiting for my order from Avon also. So I wanted to do a Nykaa and Avon haul together. So let's get into it. Okay, so there are not many things that I got, but a few essentials. Yeah, I got few essentials. I'll start with the skincare. So the first thing that I got is this skin soothing tea tree. It says tea tree mask gets rid of uneven skin tone. So I got this for myself. It was priced at 100. I got it for, I don't know, I'll put it somewhere here, the price. But the thing is that I haven't tried it yet and I don't know how it is, but it had good reviews, so I thought why not, let's try. So yeah, this is the first thing. The second thing I got is my absolute favorite. It's the Nykaa Naturals cold pressed oil, 100% pure. It's 30 ml and this one was priced at 500. I got it for 450. This oil is a face oil. You can use it for hair also. And my friend recommended this oil. I told her that I was having a lot of pimples and acne. So she told me that she's using this and it really works for her. So I thought let's try it. And I have been using this for like a long time. I didn't buy this in the Pink Friday sale. I bought it before the Pink Friday sale. So I've been using this for quite a long time now and the results are amazing. I have literally got no pimples since I've started using this. And I use it along with my moisturizer, and trust me, it doesn't leave your skin oily at all. Even if you are an oily skin, you can go for it. It's really amazing. And yeah, that's the second thing that I got. Now coming to makeup. So first I got this liquid concealer from Swiss Beauty. Covers the blemishes at one stroke. That's what it says. So yeah, I have it on now. You can see. So yeah, this is the concealer that I got. It was priced at it's not written. I'll leave a pop-up here. So this concealer. So before purchasing it, I saw a lot of videos on YouTube about this, and it had good reviews. And I think it really works, but not in one stroke. It says it works in one stroke, covers the blemishes in one stroke, but it doesn't. So you really have to blend it in and wait for it to bake, and then it will give you that flawless texture. So the next thing that I got in the Pink Friday sale was this Swiss Beauty Brick Highlighter, and this one was priced at, it's not there, I'll put it here. And this brick highlighter is my favorite purchase. It's so beautiful. This one literally works in one stroke. You really don't need to go in again. It's so amazing, and it stays for a really long time. I like it. So yeah, and then it has these colors, you see. So like you can mix them and then it gives you that peachy finish, and then it still lights up your face. It's really nice. This is the first time I'm using a highlighter. I never used a highlighter. I used to use a bronzer as an highlighter. #makeup hacks. But I switched to a highlighter, professional highlighter finally. And I love it. Swiss Beauty is an amazing brand. This one had amazing reviews and it is really good. I love it. So the next thing that I got is my second favorite. It is this Rose LA Colors palette from LA Colors, and it is aesthetic. I have it on. I mean, I'm wearing an eyeshadow from it, and it's really good, you guys. It's amazing. The pigment can be better. The pigment is not that great, but the colors are beautiful. They really look good, and it blends quite well. Doesn't flake. It's really nice. I like it. It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 shades, and comes with this teeny tiny brush, which is good. And yeah, also one thing is very good about this thing is, did I break it? No, I didn't. Okay, yeah. So one thing that's great about this is all the colors, they have things written on them. Like these colors you use for the crease, these you use for the lid, and then crease, and then crease, and then highlighter. So it has everything written. So for a beginner, it is beginner friendly. It is really amazing. You guys can go for it. And I think this color palette will go with all the skin tones. It is really very nudie, pinkish undertone. So I think it looks pretty amazing. And this one was priced at $750. I got it for $375 if I'm not wrong. Yeah, in the Pink Friday sale. So yeah, nice deal. That's all for the Pink Friday, Nykaa. Now let's talk about things that I got from Avon. There are not a lot, but yeah, there are a few. So first is this Avon Naturals Cherry Lip Balm. This contains sunscreen also, and this one was priced at, I don't know how much this was for, because mom ordered it. I just put them in the cart and left it. Mom ordered it. I will check and tell you. So yeah, this is the lip balm. Was my mom. She just came and she bought me 2 earrings. I have a lot of earrings. So let me know if you guys want me to do my earring collection video. I don't have a lot, but I have a few. I can show you if you want. So put it in the comments if you want me to do my earring collection video. Okay, bye. So this lip balm, I don't know for how much it is priced, but I like it. It's in cherry flavor, and the flavor is amazing. It has a little pigment, which is nice. I can show it to you. It has a little color, you can see, and this is for everyday use. I like it. The deliciously flavored lip balm moisturizes and softens dry lips. Contains sunscreen. Go for it. The next thing that I actually got 2 pieces, is this Avon True Color Luminous Glow Glimmer Stick Flickering Lights Eyeliner in the shade Brilliant Amethyst. And this one, I don't know how much it was priced for, but it was surely under 200. So yeah, this is the glitter eyeliner, and it is quite cute. The color is nice. There, it's like a pinkish glitter with an ashy undertone. So yeah, it really looks nice. So one's for me, one is for my mom. So I have 2 pieces of those. And the third thing that I got is, I always wanted a lip lacquer because I never had one, and I used to see these makeup tutorials where they had this, and it used to give them shine without any lipstick. I mean, without any like gloss or anything. and it has pigment also, so I thought why not go for it. This is Mark Liquid Lip Lacquer Shine, and this one was priced at, mom ordered, so I don't know. Yeah, this is also from Avon by the brand Mark, and this one is very beautiful. The color seems very pink in the camera, but it's not that pink. Colors look nice with Indian wear, so yeah, I'm gonna try that. So yeah, that's all. That is all I got from Avon. And so let me know if you liked this video. Give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.